Hey, Jason, this is Jason. We talked earlier. It was a pleasure talking with you about your website here and about what I can do for you. In this video, we're going to talk briefly about 3 ways to improve your website so we can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and to bring in more customers. A lot of what's holding them back in hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who's expert and who's not. So I found by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners will take this information and do it themselves, which is awesome. Some call me back and ask for help, which is also awesome. So if you want some help with this, you can give me a call and we can chat if you want to. If you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. So uh, what I'm going to talk to you today about is content, backlinks, and citations. And it's not going to be much to you because you really don't have a website here yet. This is it looks like a third-party service that you have here, and so it's really not going to be working for you. But what I can talk about is some things we can do for you if we were going to build you a website. So I brought up a few examples of some of the competition in the Virginia Beach area. This is All Day Plumbing, and they have a pretty decent website, except for, as you can see, their top banner is kind of taking up half their screen, so you really can't read the content. But they are working with about 1,000 words of content on this front page. You just can't see it. Lucky for them, Google really doesn't work based on what their website looks like. It's based on the content. So they're working. They're not too bad. 1,000 words of content is not too bad for a plumbing service in this area. What you're really going to want to have is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, because the average front page on Google has around 1,900 words of content. So if we put 1,500 words of content, you'd blow all day out of the water, and hopefully it wouldn't look this bad because their stuff's all over the place here. I need to get in contact with them, help them with their website. So another company that's killing it as far as content goes. This is Atomic Plumbing, and they rate #1 organically because they have such a great website. They have 5,000 words of content on here, and they have nice video. It lays out well. It's easy to follow, and it's great. They're doing phenomenal things with their internet presence. So we can get you somewhere between what All Day Plumbing is doing here with 1,000 keywords and a poorly laid out website, and Atomic is doing with 5,000 keywords and a really nice laid out website. The next thing we'll talk about is trustworthiness. Okay, and so you want to make yourself trustworthy. Obviously, Google judges you based off how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant sites linking to you, so they're more powerful than, say, Pizza Hut saying you're an awesome plumber. You'd rather have someone like Atomic Plumbing endorsing you as a plumber, or someone from another state or another city endorsing you as a plumber. And so, what we can do real quick is we can go into it. What I have here is Ahrefs. It's a tool I use to look at the backside of websites. And obviously, your site's not working for you. We know that already. But these zeros tell a story. Okay. If you want to put in perspective, here's Atomic. They have 152 referring domains, giving them 623 backlinks. This is worth 788 people coming to their website every month for a value of $9,800. I don't know about you, but I could use an extra $9,800 every month. So this is what I would do. I would go to Atomic and I would look at their referring domains, and I would get those referring domains to refer to me. It's very simple. We click on it. We can go in there and look at the list, and we can just go, hey, I want to contact you. I want you to be a referring domain for me, and they can give you links. Okay, it's not that hard. And then put it again in perspective. Here's what All Day Plumbing is doing. So they're not doing too bad either. 58 referring domains, 368 backlinks, and it's worth $2,700 to them. Okay, So these are some of the things we can do. Lastly, what we want to talk about is when someone searches Virginia Beach plumber, okay, they're looking for the first person who's trustworthy. They're ready to buy, okay? So the quicker they can get to your site, the more chance you have of being chosen, all right? Most people will skip all these ads right here. I know I do. Some people have ad blockers. Others just have bad experience with ads. I don't deal with ads on Google, not at all. But the honey spot right here is what we call Google My Business or Map Pack. Okay, and how you rank in the top three, which is where you really want to be on Map Pack, is through what we call uh, citations. All right. So citations are your name, address, and phone number in directories across the web. All right. And directories are like LinkedIn, Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, Angie's List, all those things you've heard of. Okay. And so you're going to want to have anywhere from like 200 to 300 citations. Um, And so what we can do is we can go here and look at A1 Sewer Drain. We look at Mr. Rotor. We look at Tony and Son. We can grab their citations and we can go get cited on those very same um, sites so that we can start ranking on this map pack as well. Okay. So that's all I've got for you, Jason. Hope it was informative. And as a quick recap, we're going to hopefully get you a website built that has 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Uh, you're going to want to go out there and get at least 100 of those backlinks. And then at a minimum, you're going to want to grab 200, 300 of these citations to get you on the map pack. If you want to do this all yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. Um, so all I ask is that you send me back like a line or two of feedback on this thing so I can get better, so I can help other people or potentially help you. Um, Let me know if this was valuable information. And if you want help doing it, give me a call. My phone number is right here, 757-354-2802, or you can drop me a line via email. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye.